My name is Shanta Burks, and I am 56 years old. Before the GAE procedure, I was experiencing excruciating pain to where I could not walk for a long period of time. I was two-stepping, so much to the point where my knees would swell up so bad that they looked like grapefruits. They were that big. I was putting ointments on it, putting ice on them, all type of braces. I was wearing braces for years and years. The pain was excruciating to the point where it stopped me from doing a lot of activities. A lot of my friends, before we would go anywhere, "Are you sure you're okay? Are you going to be able to do this?" And I would say, yeah, but I was in excruciating pain before the GAE procedure. As of now, rating it from beginning to end, beginning was 100. It was awful. Rating it from now, my pain is probably about a 2 or a 1. Before the GAE procedure, you could hear me walking and my knee would be clicking. You would hear it clicking. So let's back it up. I've always been athletically inclined through college and through high school. I have always been an athlete. I played basketball. Fast forward, while playing basketball, I suffered a couple of injuries and I had water in my knee, and then I had to have that removed. And then I started going to the doctor getting cortisone shots in both of my knees. It was hard for me to walk long distances. It was hard for me to walk up and down steps, just excruciating pain. At night when I would lay down to go to sleep, I was constantly tossing, turning, because I needed to get my knee in a position to where I could sleep. It had affected my trips, any trips that any of my friends or any of us went on. We went on a lot of cruises. I'm a cruiser, so we went on a lot of cruises. Never was able to really enjoy myself because of the fact my knee would be hurting so bad. I was sitting out from doing a lot of the activities because I couldn't stand for a long period of time, or my knee would swell up. I mean, it would be so swole sometimes. If I had on like stretch pants or sweatpants, you could see it through my pants. The reason why I chose the GAE over a total knee replacement is because, for one, I couldn't afford to be off work for months at a time. I don't have anyone at home to take care of me. When you get a total knee replacement, you need someone there 24/7, to help you to the bathroom, to help you to cook your meals, to drive you here and there. And my right knee is my main knee that I drive with. I'm also a bus driver, so I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. The same day that I had that procedure done, I was able to go home, go to bed, and sleep through the night without tossing and turning. I am now able to walk long distances. I had totally gave up wearing heels at all. I still can't wear heels like I could, but I can wear a wedge or a block heel. I can wear that. I used to couldn't. I couldn't do it at all. So that limited my attire. I was stuck with wearing tennis shoes, sweatpants, and stuff like that. And it's crazy because it's amazing how the turnover from the time you walk in here, from the time to the same day you are able to walk. You are able to walk, no pain at all. I love it. It's amazing. It has changed my life completely, 100%. Dr. Margni, the best. He was very, very friendly, very personable, which is what I loved about him. You get some doctors coming there and they say all these big words and you are like, well, what does that mean? But this man was very personable with me. From my first visit, we did was it called the ultrasound? They did the ultrasound on my leg. He was there Everything was great. He told me that I was a candidate for it. So the first day of the procedure, the girls here, the staff was amazing. These girls were great with me. And you know, I have a great personality anyway, so I had them in here laughing. But overall, the girls were very attentive to me, wanting to make sure that I was comfortable, asking me, was I nervous? You know, just making sure that I was comfortable. Even after the procedure, doctor called me the day after the procedure. He told me to take it easy. You know, he just wanted to check on me. And then I want to say it was like 3 days after that, he called me again just to make sure that everything was good with me. I recommend this to anyone. It's an alternative to knee surgery. You're going to still be bone to bone. It's not going to take care of that. But what it does is it take care of that pain that you have. I don't have that pain no more. I do not have that pain no more. Am I finna run a marathon? No, probably not. I'm almost sure, 100% I'm not finna run a marathon. But I'm back walking again. You know, I'm back being a little bit active. You gotta take everything one day at a time. You can't just get out there and run a marathon because it won't happen. I'm telling you, it's done changed my life, and I'm so glad that I had it done. I am so glad I had it done. I would tell Dr. Margni, keep up the good work. I would tell him that he does a great job. Keep, you know, being personable as you are. He's a great doctor, easy to talk to, and I'm just thankful that I was able to come here and get this procedure done.